Let's move on to class. So last class we discussed. Meantime they will join. Okay. Now go to here. So last class we discussed how to create what we discussed yesterday. So easy to just we how to create instance. Created one instance. Create easy to instance. Next with the help of remote exec install the so first connected easy to create easy to instance. Next connect connect to EC2 instance. Next so install the httpd package. Clear? So if you want to create instance, already we used one resource block. So this is the resource. So resource aws underscore so aws underscore instance. Next name, we can give any name. This is the main. Next connection, there is a connection. So under this connection we connected our instance. Now we used so what we used, remote exec, remote provisioners, right? Provi provisioners so here we are using so remote exec. So where I created yesterday, so here here somewhere I created, right, my classes. So here this is so last class we created, right? So this is the last class we created. So this is the provider already so which region I am creating, US East 1, and this is the resource, and the resource name, this is the name, local name, and we are getting AMI instance type key and VPC IDs and all. And this is the connection. Within the connection, so we connected via SSH, and the provisioner remote exec, provisioner remote exec inline, provisioner remote exec inline, we install the HTTP package and all. That's it. So now go to here. Anyone any doubt here? This is same only. Today we will see how to create VPs and all. Let me connect AWS instead. AWS, AWS. So console manager. These are the basics. If you understand, so remaining very simple only. Today we'll see how to create VPC, subnet, route table and all. Very, very important. If you understand, almost we can understand 50% Terraform. So if you know manual process, we can easily implement the Terraform script. If you know manual process, we can easily implement the Terraform script. So now I am in. Now I am in North Virginia. Click on EC2. Click on EC2. Click on EC2. So right now I don't have anything, right? So I don't have any running instances. Now coming to here, I am running my script. So where is this one? So this is the C drive here, my classes, this is my script. Go to here, CMD. Okay. So yesterday there is unable to connect, right? So yesterday it is unable to connect my instances. So here added so VPC security group. So yesterday it is showing some error, right? So now what I did, I created one security group and just added. So where is this security group? Same region. And if you go here, security group, there is one option, right? Security group. And so what is my security group name? Just copy and check it whether it is available or not. Whether it is available or not. Alt F. See here. This is the security group. So I created one security group, and so just I given added VPC underscore security underscore VPC underscore security underscore group underscore IDs. I added security groups. If you want to, we can add more than one security also. Okay. So remaining concept same only. Now check it how it will work. So Terraform. What is the first command? Terraform init and all no need. Anyway, I am giving init. Already it is fail it to query available provider package. 5.7 no longer could you. I mean same path on right. Could not retrieve the list of available versions for the provider. Okay, which provider I am using? Same one, right? So this is the provider AWS. This and all. If you don't want, no need. Just click on that. So Terraform init 5.1. Someone is join. Wait. Okay. I mean same path or different path. Delete this also. It will download latest one. Okay. Now go to here. CLS Terraform init. So now it is downloading the latest version. I deleted the existing plugin and all. Now it is downloading 5.72. This is the latest. It is downloading. Earlier we are using so 5 some version, right? So it is showing so that version is not available. So that is the reason I deleted my in local and it is downloading the 5.72. Okay. So now this is same only. Yesterday script only. Yesterday script only. This is the provider. This is the resource black. This is the resource AWS underscore instance. I didn't change anything. Only added a security group name. That's it. Only added security group name. Earlier I am getting a timeout issue, right? Earlier I am getting timeout issue, right? So that is remaining same concept only. I didn't change. Now just I am executing. Check it. Terraform. Next validate. Next Terraform validate. So if it is okay, next Terraform. Once validation is done, Terraform plan. So this is also success. Next Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Okay. So here it won't create any actual resource and all. Just this is for our understanding plan. So what are the plan? What we are going to create? See here. This is the tag name. This is the instance type, and this is the insta AMI ID. So just it is showing. So now last command terraform apply terraform apply. Now see here. Now I am going to create one instance. Same steps it will be executed. First it is creating one instance and it is connected to our instance and it is executing these commands. That's it. That is our target. So yes, I want to continue. Do you want to perform these actions? Yes. I hope clear, guys. Anyone any doubt here? So see here, and it is creating connected. See here, this is also connecting to remote mission, and so once see connected. Connected means via SSH connected. Next it will execute the so packages sudo m. So this part is done. Second part connection also done. See here, it is installing the it is installing the package also. So which package is installed? See HTTPD. So this part also done. Yesterday there is because of that right security group there is we are getting timeout error. Now added security group and this is also done. Now it is executing the this and all. This is executing this and all. Anyone any doubt here? Karan, clear. So these are the
Yeah,
simple
clear.
how we are creating instance and how we are connecting, how to install package. Manual how we are doing same thing I implemented with the help of so Terraform script also. So now today we'll see how to create a sub VPC and how to create subnet and how to create a security group and all we'll see. If it is clear, now I'm going to come to here. I'm going to come to here. So this is right. This is I'm going to create so one more. Now go to here. I'm creating one folder. I'm going to create a VPC and subnets, and so IG same, right, route table, IGW, and also route table. So if manual process, same thing only. Just I'm copying this file and just I'm pasting here only. That's it. So if you want to, we can split so multiple files also. So as of now, I written everything only single file, right? So but real time, this is not a best practice. See here, provider added here, and also instance resource also added here, and connections added here. So everything added in the same file. Everything added in the same file. But real time, we are not going to implement like this. We are going to split so multiple files. Yes or no? If you write everything single file, suppose if you want to change something, there is a bit confusion, right? Yes or no? So I'm going to write many resources, right? I'm going to add many resources. If you write all resources in same file, this is also working, no problem. But if you see this file is very large, correct? And if you want to modify, if నేను ఏదైనా modify చేయాలి, ఎక్కడ modify చేయాలి, there is a bit confusion, right? So that is the reason what I am going to do. I am going to split multiple files. I am going to split multiple files. How I am going to split multiple files? Check it. So this is the provider. Okay. Now, so I am going to create one more file. I am going to create one more file. Notepad. So VPC, Notepad. So VPC dot TF file. అర్థమవుతుందా? Everything if you want to write, we can write one file also, no problem. Now I'm going to split multiple files. Now I'm going to split multiple files. Okay. So now, so this is the VPC, right? Now how to create VPC? First tell me manually. Same thing I am going to implement here. So if you want to create any VPC, click on VPC, VPC, click on VPC. So how to create, guys, VPC? So if you go here, same process only. Click on VPC, and if create VPC. What are the right? So name and all. See, VPC name this is the tag name, and this is the VPC only, and this is a CIC header block, and this and all some common things, right? Yes or no? So here which is mandatory? I am clicking so create VPC. It is throwing some error message. Which is mandatory here? Which is mandatory? CIDR block. That is nothing but IP range. That is nothing but IP range. Clear? That is nothing but IP range. Now I am going to create the same thing. This is the VPC name, IP range, and remaining and all same only. Remaining and all same only. Whatever you want. So after creating VPC, for example, I given for example ABC VPC. Okay, I given some IP range 10 dot, okay, 10 dot so 0.0.0/24 I given already, right, 16, right? AWS people supporting. Now click on so create VPC. So after creating VPC, now we are doing one thing, right? Click on action, click on edit, click on edit settings, and we are enabling this one also, right? Enable DNS host names. Yes or no? We are enabling this one also. Same thing I am going to add in my so Terraform script also. How it will look like, see here. Now tell me anyone. So create VPC. Okay. If you want to create any VPC, what is the block? Which block I need to use? Anyone? AWS underscore
Yes.
AWS underscore VPC. If you click on Terraform, so Terraform people, they are giving very clearly. So no need to worry. See here, if you want to create, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Basic usage, basic usage. and so basic usage with the tags, and see here VPC with CADR with AMI plan. See, these people already they given. Just copy first time, right? So copy same thing. Coming to here, this is the resource block. Resource equal to AWS underscore VPC. What is the VPC name? Which VPC you need to guys? So I want, so for example, I want dev underscore VPC for development purpose. I am creating, just assume, and this is the CACR block. Okay, next intense tenancy default. So while creating VPC there is one option, right? So while creating VPC, if we create a VPC, see here, tenancy default, correct? This all are not mandatory. If you want to, we can add it. Anyway, added this one. Next, what we need else? What we need to add? We need to add so CACR, the already CA block added, and so anything else? Next, we enable DNS, right? So we enable DNS also. If you go to here, edit VPC, we enable DNS also. So for this, so there is a one attribute available. So enable DNS underscore host name. If you go here, everything available. These people. If you go here, attribute argument references. If you click on here, so for this, we can search here also. What is this? DNS underscore DNS. See here, DNS enable DNS host names. DNS host names. See here. So this is a boolean flag to enable disable DNS host name in the VPC. So if you don't know anything, so we can check here argument reference. Already everything they will provide. Just copy this one. Just copy this one, and just copy this one, and just paste it. Not this here, right? Paste it. Paste it. Okay. So enable DNS host names equal to what we need to do? True or false? What we need to do here? Enable means we are selecting checkbox, right? Checkbox means true or false.
True, sir.
Same. So just I am using true. 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 Anything need? So this and all based on your requirement, we can add anything. We can add, so we can give anything. Okay. Next, tag name. What is your tag name? For example, I given dev VPC, right? Tag name also I am giving same name. I am giving so same name. Okay. So that's it. My VPC is done. My VPC is done. Now I need to create one subnet. So if you want to create subnet, what is the manual process, guys? So go to VPC, click on subnet, create subnet, and here first what we are selecting? First what we are selecting? ఇక్కడ ఏం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం?
ID, VPC ID.
Yes, VPC ID. So what is, where is my VPC ID? Which VPC you want to create? So that and all we need to select. Same thing I am adding here. Now see this and all. What is this line? Comment line. It won't execute. Create subnet. Subnet. Create subnet. I am creating subnet 1. Okay. Remaining story. For example, I don't know anything. Now go to here. Go to Google, and so just type VPC underscore AWS underscore subnet. AWS underscore subnet. These people already provided example also. Just for first time only, right? See here, resource equal to AWS underscore subnet main and VPC ID, and this is the subnet range and tag name. I hope you got it right. Very simple. Just copy this one and go to here, just paste it. And so what is this AWS underscore subnet? Your subnet name, we can give any name. For example, dev underscore subnet 1. I am giving a naming convention subnet 1. And so VPC ID means here they are using a AWS underscore VPC dot main dot ID. But here what is my VPC name? Just copy same thing. If you have any doubt, we need to give this one only. This is very important. AWS underscore VPC dot VPC dot ID. what it is getting here in this line, anyone any doubt? అంటే ఆల్రెడీ here మనం విపిసి క్రియేట్ చేసినాం. ఈ విపిసి ఐడి నేను గెట్ చేస్తున్నాను. See here, already we are selecting existing VPC, right? Existing VPC ID. Clear? So which VPC I created? This is my VPC. Now VPC AWS underscore VPC, your VPC name dot ID means now it will come, so this ID, it will come this ID, already existing VPC ID. Anyone any doubt? Clear, Kiran? Now CI CDR block. So which range you want to give? So I am giving a 10.0 dot. Here I given 10.0 dot 0 dot. Here I am giving 10.0 dot 1 dot. Okay, no problem. That's enough for me. And what is your tag name? This is the dev underscore sub. Whatever name you want, this is your name. Your wish, guys. Here, whatever you want. But naming convention I am giving. So anyone any doubt here? Clear? Yes or no? So I selected this is the VPC, and so now subnet settings. So this is the subnet name and availability zone. Which availability zone you want to create? We are selecting one availability zone, right? Clear, Ramya? What Asis? We are selecting availability zone also. అర్థమవుతుందా? అవైలబిలిటీ
Yes.
జోన్. నౌ
Sir.
ఏ అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్లు క్రియేట్ చేయాలి? దట్ ఈస్ సెలెక్ట్. ఐ వాంట్ టు సెలెక్ట్ యుఎస్ ఈస్ట్ 1A. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ గో హియర్, సో ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ రెఫరెన్స్, there is giving availability, just search a availability. See here, availability zone, availability zone. See, there is a, this is optional. If you want to, we can add it. So I want to create a specifically particular availability zone. Just copy this one and go to here, and so here paste it, and just paste it. Availability zone equal to, tell me which zone you want to create. So which zone you want to create? Availability zone. Now go to here, uh, here availability zone. I want to US East 1. I want to East 1. Okay, 1A. I want to create a US East 1A, North Virginia. So same thing, add it. See here, availability zone US East, East 1A. But this is not a mandatory, this is optional. If you are not mentioning anything, by default it will create somewhere, anywhere. Okay, so that's it. So now anyone any doubt? Now let's go to one more. If you want to one more, if you want to one more, same thing. Copy this one, and so I'm going to create one more subnet. See here, subnet 2. I'm giving subnet 2. This is the dev subnet 2, and I'm giving the same VPC under VPC, and here I'm using 2.024. Here I need to create so 1B for your understanding, only for practice, right? 1B. See, one is I am creating 1A, and the second one I am creating 1B, and this is the dev subnet 2. I hope you understand, right? Very simple. Create, so subnet 2. Okay, next. So after creating subnet, I want to create security group. How we are creating security group, guys? Manually. This is very important. If you understand these things, nothing. So nothing. Okay, so if you want to, we can write here also, or we can write separately also. Now I am writing here only, later I will split it that. So create security group, security group. So if you want to create security group, first come to manual process, how we are creating. So now go to here, click on here, EC2. So there is one option, right? So how to create security group? This is the security group, and click on create security group, and it is asking so security group name and description and which VPC you want to create. These are the basic things. See here, security group name and description and VPC ID. Next, which port number you want to allow. I hope you got it, right? Same thing I'm going to implement. So just I don't know how to write. Go to here, and so just go to here. Just type AWS underscore security group in Terraform. So if you click on here, so these people they are giving very clear documentation. Now see here, this is the, see here, AW resource security group, okay, and name, we can give any name, description and ID tag. That's it. Now if you want to allow, so we can use ingress, egress also. If you want to allow egress, ingress also. So now copy anything, whatever you want, use case. Just I am copying same thing only. I am copying same thing only. Go to here, security group, and so this is the AWS underscore security underscore group. Here dev sg, dev underscore security group. Okay. Now name, we can give any name. We can give any name. What is my name? I am going to give same thing only. My security group name same only. Description allow, so for example, I want to allow so SSH, and which one you want to allow, guys? HTTP, whatever you want. Okay. Now VPC ID. So what is my VPC ID? How to get my VPC ID? This is my VPC, right? So copy this one. Where is this? AWS underscore VPC. This is, concept is very simple only. Try to understand how it will work. Okay. And so tag name, whatever name we can use, dev underscore security group. Now so we are giving, so okay, this is okay. Now we are allowing, right, port numbers. We are allowing port numbers. See here, inbound port numbers. If you click on add rule, we are allowing 22. We are allowing SSH. If you select SSH 22, and if you are allowing HTTP, what is HTTP? What is the port number? HTTP 80. And if we
80.
select HTTPS, same thing. How to add here? How to add here in our so Terraform script? So this is okay. Now this is the two types, right? Inbound rule, outbound rule. If you want to inbound rule, outbound rule, and so this is the syntax. So there is a, we need to add ingress and egress. So this is the outbound rule. If you want to configure inbound rule, ingress. If you want to configure ingress, ingress and egress. Ingress, egress. This is the inbound rule. So see here, attribute block made due to the move. So whatever you want, we can use it. Just copy these two things. Just copy this. So two things, whatever you want. So whatever you want, this is the inbound rule. This is the outbound rule. This is the inbound. This is the inbound. This is the outbound. Same thing we can add it here. Here also, if you want to, we can already they added somewhere. Clear. Add, they didn't add. Okay. Now I'm coming to here. Right here also they given. Where is right now? Inbound, outbound, egress, egress. Or else we can search here also. What is this? Egress in Terraform. So they will give so ingress, right? INGRE ingress example. Terraform ingress example. Already these people they are providing. This is correct only. Here only we can. Anyway, we'll add it. Right? So ingress. Just copy this one and go to our script. So where is this? This is the ingress, right? Ingress means what is this, guys? Inbound or outbound?
Inbound.
Inbound. So which port number you want to allow? First tell me. So based on this we can add it. Port number means, so this is a from port to port. Same way if you go here, this is the from port to, this is the to port. From to. So same thing we need to add. This is very simple only. Example also we can search, we'll get it. Now here I am using so from underscore port. Which port number you want to allow? 22. Next, same also to port also. To underscore port. There is multiple ways we can write. This is the one way. Okay, 22. And so CA block. We are using a protocol. Protocol. Which protocol? This one. Here. If you go to here, which what is the protocol? Protocol.
TC.
TCP. I am not going to do anything my own. Already everything already these people they are providing. CA blocks. So now go to here. So this is a black. This is a blacks. Don't confuse here. This is a blacks. because here we are going to add so multiple, right? uh, so generally we are using so one one address, right? So if we select http ssh, if we select ssh here, if we select anywhere, what is the IP? Now got it? Clear? Ingress.
Yes.
Okay. Now if you want to allow one more port number, same copy this one, same copy this one, and paste it. And so for example, if you want to allow 8080 also, and so here I am giving HTTP and HTTPS, right? Where is that? HTTP means 8080, right? Okay. Now 80, and so remaining same only. That's it. Now outbound rule. Outbound means ingress, egress. Here they are mentioning egress. Outbound means we need to go egress. Okay. Copy this one. So just paste it here. So or else just copy same thing, egress, and go to here. uh, so now here I need to, so outbound rule, do you allow any specific outbound rule? All we are only allow, right? If you go here, so this is the outbound rule, we are giving by default all traffic, right? So I am adding same all only. So how to add all? So same, copy this one. I am not going to mention anything. And so from port 0, I am not specific. 0 means everything. I am allowing all, right? 0, and 2 port also 0. And so TCP means here we need to add -1. Minus means all, and remaining story same only. Remaining story same only. That's it. This is the security group. See here, security group, group name I given, description is your wish, whatever you want. Allow only, allow only. So this is the description, HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, and this is the VPC ID, because we need to select VPC. Okay, this is the one rule, this is the one inbound rule, and this is the outbound rule. That's it. Anyone, any doubt here? If you understand this thing, nothing. See here. Okay, we'll try up to this, and we'll see continuation. Now go to here, and so where is this? Go to here, and VPC provider. I splitted two files. Coming classes, I am splitting multiple files. Mm, Now CMD. Now what is the first command? I create a separate folder, right? So init Terraform init. There is something missing. What is missing? CDR blocks AWS something. There is wrong. Where is wrong?
CADR blocks are equal to the keys.
ఎక్కడ?
CADR box ఉన్న
సెక్యూరిటీ
దగ్గర
గ్రూప్
అంతే.
లోనా?
ఇంక్రీస్ ఎస్.
ఓకే, ఇదే కదా. సారీ, హియర్ మిస్సింగ్ బ్లాక్స్ equal to. Okay, save it. Next go to here. Now cls terraform init. Okay, so this is very simple only. If you understand today class, nothing, already 50% Terraform we can understand. Same way we can write whatever resource you want, whatever resources you want. As of now, you know how to create so EC2. Now today, how to create VPC, how to create subnet, how to create so subnet 2, and so which wherever you want. And so this is a security group. We'll see one by one, step by step, how it will work. Okay. Next, Terraform. What is that? Next, validate. Do you means a protocol? Protocols వాడినానంట. Where is protocol? Proto
Spelling, sir. Protocol
PR
spelling.
what?
COL.
PROTO.
COL.
Oh, sorry, COL. Where is this? One more protocol. One more. That's it, right? Okay. Now see here, if you miss any spelling and all, if you use validate means it will some more missing. Do you which line? Line number 46. Somewhere missing. Protocol here also, right? Correct. Anything missing? Okay. Okay. Now go to here. Invalid function. No file or exist. Okay. It is checking this file. I have two files, right? In this path, I have two files, right? Providers. So in this, I'm going to provider. Okay. I don't want this and all. Key and all I don't want. Or if you want to same thing, we need to copy previous folder and paste it here. Previous means this one. This is the key available here. It is not available, right? We need to paste here also. That's it. It is expecting key also. Okay, CLS, Terraform, validate. Now it will work because already we used one PM file, right? So that is not now Terraform validate plan. Now see here how many resource we are going to create. How many resource we are going to create. Now see here how many resource. Five resources. Plan five resource. What are those? We can check it here. Now one is now count it here also. One is AMI and so here and another one is this is the one security group and one VPC. There is VPC, AMI, everything we can see here. What is the dev SC security and so subnet 1 and subnet 2 and total 5. Total 5. Okay. Now let me go to here. Before that, let me check it whether it is available or not. So VPC, right? Click on here. VPC. Click on here VPC. Dev. What is my VPC name, guys? What is my VPC name? I don't want this
Dev
to
underscore
dev
VPCs.
underscore. Do we have any VPC here? No, right? Now if you go to subnet, do we have any subnet? My name, subnet 1, subnet 2? No. Now I'm run my script, final. What is the command? Last command. So Terraform, apply. If you want, you don't want every time, we can use auto approve also. Anyway, we are having yes or no, just manual input I am passing, or else we can use auto approve. Auto approve means automatically it will create. Now see here, if you want to, yes, sir. You don't want, no. Now see here, it is creating the instance. First it is creating instance. Once instance is created, now see here, connect the instance and connected instance, and it is installing the software also connected, and it is waiting for so process ID 2239. It is installing that remote exe also executing. If you don't want, we can remove that one also. Anyway, by default previous class I copied paste, right? Installation is done. HTTP installation is done, and now it is creating subnet. See here, and so EC to test, etc to everything created. That's it. See total how many resources created, guys? Five resources. Now go and check it here whether really it is created or not. Refresh it. Now see here, dev underscore VPC created or not. See what is my
Yes.
IP. Next, go to subnets and see dev underscore subnet 2 and dev underscore subnet 1 created, and go to internet gateway, sorry, security group. Where is security group? Not here. And so go to security group, duplicate security group, right? EC2 security group. Okay, where is my security group? This is my security group. Now see here, DevApps. DevApps, which one I give a name? Dev underscore SC. Dev underscore SC. So this is a security group. And VPC. Which VPC is created? Anyone check it? 181, right? This is my VPC. 181 means that is my VPC. 181. Now check it. My VPC is 181. Under it is created or not? And subnets are created two ways. Subnets are created two regions. One is I selected both two, right? One is selected 1A and one is selected where I selected. One is selected 1B. Subnet 2 I
1B.
selected 1B. Subnet 1 I selected 1A. 1A means this one. Check that one also whether really it is created or not. Subnet 1 1A where it is selecting availability zone. And so where is that one? US East. See here availability zone 1A, and go to second subnet whether it really is created or not. Subnet to this is the 1B. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how to create a route table? You know, right? A route table. What is the route table and all? You know. Same way we are going to create a route table also. So if you want to create route table, see, click on create route table. So route table name, and we need to select VPC. That's it. Only 2 point enough. This is the 2 point mandatory. Remaining is optional. And same way we are going to create so route table. So route table. Now I'm going to create route table. Now go to here. So I don't know how to create. Just assume. Go to here Google. Go to here Google, and just if you want to check AWS underscore route table. You want to create one route table, right? Route underscore table, route underscore table. See here in Terraform. If we click on this, now these people they are providing. Now see here how to create see resource AWS underscore route underscore table, and we need what is we need, guys? Only VPC ID we need. So remaining and all same only. Remaining and all same only. So just copy this one. So see here whatever you want. Okay, copy this one, and I am coming to here. So I am adding here. As of now I am adding here. Later I am going to split it. So create a route table. So now create route table. Okay, so paste it. And what is my route table name? Okay, dev underscore route table rt. Okay, and what is my VPC ID? How to get underscore VPC, and how to get so this is my ID. Okay, go to here VPC ID. That's it. Okay, now this is the tag name. I am giving dev route table rg. Tag name also I am giving same for our understanding purpose. Now here we can add anything. So this is not mandatory right now. We can add also ladder. That's it. Route table is created. So route table is created. Route table is created. Madhvi, 1 second. Sorry. So this is the route table. So create the route table. Now we need to one internet gateway also, right? So internet gateway. So how to create internet gateway? Same way. How to create internet gateway? This is also internet gateway. Same way. Add route table. Okay, this is the internet gateway. If you want to create internet gateway, how to create? Same, go to here. So VPC, there is a internet gateway. So click on create internet gateway name, and that's it, right? Only very simple. These two are very simple. Now I'm going to here. I'm adding same way internet gateway. So now go to here. Go to here. Where is this? Here, internet gateway. AWS underscore internet gateway Terraform. Okay, just click on internet gateway. So see here, these are resource internet gateway and VPC ID. That's it. VPC ID. That's it. I'm copying this one, and I'm going to here and just add it. And internet gateway. This is dev underscore IGW. Dev underscore IGW and VPC. This is same VPC only. Where you want to create internet gateway also under the same VPC only. And so this is the dev underscore internet gateway. Anyone any doubt, guys, here as of now? So I created one route table. So resource route table name, VPC ID, tag name, and so internet gateway. So AWS underscore internet gateway. That's this VPC underscore ID and tag equal to this it. So anyone any doubt here? Clear? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Now come to here how it will work. Now so try to understand. Already five resource already I created. Five resource already I created. Now extra added two more resources. I added one internet gateway and I added one so route internet gateway, and which one I added? Route table. Now I am running same command only, Terraform plan. So anyone guess it? It will create all recreation, or it won't create existing and all, only it will create new things. Terraform, there is a one greatness. Okay. Now see here, plan is 2. Actually total 7, right? Previous 5, now 2, total 7. Now what it is doing, Terraform is a right? So it is checking whether already resource is available or not. If already resource real resource available, it won't touch anything. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes.
So previous already added 5 resource. Now same script added 2 more resource. But usually it will create these all these things. But Terraform, what is the greatness of Terraform? Terraform checking. So already resource is created or not, resource available or not. If already resource is available, it won't touch anything. There is no modification. Why I need to touch it? So only new things only it will check it. Only new things only it is checking. See here, now it is showing a plan equal to 2. What is this meaning? Already VPC available, already 2 subnets available, security group also available, instance also available. It won't touch anything existing. Only just now added 2 more. So that only it will create. That is the greatness of Terraform. Now I am using Terraform plan, Terraform apply. See here, so only to just click on S. Now see here, it is creating only 2 resources. See, resource 2 is added, 0 change, 0 destroy. Now go and check it, really these two are created or not. Go to here, and so go to VPC, right? Go to here, go back VPC, click on route table, and see here dev underscore route table created. And so internet gateway, check it, dev underscore IGW created or not. Dev, which one I name I given, same name we can check it. So dev
Dev underscore.
underscore
Day
IGW
one
underscore
skill ID.
IDW. So this is the 2 is created. Now one more thing. Okay, so after creating a route table, after creating internet gateway, we did a few more things, right? So internet gateway we are attaching to which VPC? We did one more things, right? This is the internet gateway, correct? If we click on internet gateway, if we select this one, if we select this one, and we are clicking, so already attached to VPC. This is already done or not? See here, if we create
Yes.
manually, we are attaching, but in script already added. I given VPC ID. What is this meaning? Automatically it is attached to that particular VPC. Next, one more thing. So, association means we are allowing some, we are allowing something, right? We are allowing, see here, here. This is the internet gateway. This is the route table. If you click on route table, we are subnet association routes. We are assigning some, right? So this port numbers and right. If you click on edit route, here we are assign which one we need to add here, which is public subnet, which is private subnet, right?
Internet way is
uh, if
connected to
you
public
if
subnet.
you if you select internet gateway, if you select internet gateway, so this is the public subnet. So these things also we need to do. How to achieve these things? Same thing only. Now see here, now see here, if you go here, what we need to practice, where is this, if you go here, there is a one more, what we need to see, route table association, right? Route table association, route table, there is two attributes available, rout route.
Subnet association.
Submit, which one, this one?
Subnet association.
Submit, I don't, Ramya?
Subnet association. This
Subnet,
is the
Subnet association.
okay, okay.
not route table. Subnet.
uh, so subnet subnet, and that is different here, right? What is this option? Route table, and so where we are assigned, click on the route table. This is a route only, right? I am not going to subnet association. This is different, we are adding instances, correct? First I am going to here route only, routes only. So if we click on edit routes, here we need to add internet gateway, right?
Yes.
This part I am doing, okay, first part, okay. Now same way we can check, there is a, right, route table, route table, so which, route table association, internet gateway, right? ro rou route only, only, so route, this one, route, okay. So copy this one, this one, okay. First try to understand concept. Manually if you know, we can easily understand. So this is the route table. So I am assigned, so in the route table for internet access, correct? Just we can give, just we are attaching, right? uh, so aws underscore route, here we can give any name, here we can give, so any name, what we need to do here, I mean public, right? Public, correct? Public route, public route only. And so route table id, already we have route table, right? So this is the id, we need to copy this one, and just paste it here, and remove this one, just give dot only, that's it. So aws underscore route underscore table underscore rt, and so destination cdr block, we are giving, which one, 00, right? Here adding, we can use 0.0.0.0/0, and next, destination shared, next, uh, gateway id, this is vpc peering, we don't want, we need a gateway id. How to check that one? uh, argument reference argument reference get gateway. This is the gateway ID. 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 So what is my gateway ID? What is my gateway ID? My gateway ID means this is the internet gateway, right? So this is the internet gateway. So this is the internet gateway. Copy this one and paste it here. That's it. Dot ID. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? Clear? So we are assigning same manual process only. How we are doing manually, same thing. Here click route table. We are using we are selecting internet gateway. This one we are selecting, right? That's it. This one we are selecting. That is the I did here. That is the I did here. That is the I did here. Next last one association. Last one association. Tell me, we'll finish it. Mm, route table association, right? Route table association, which is the last part. If you go here and association, right? So this is we can add same way. Just search it. Nothing. Just copy and paste it. What is this one? Route table. What is this? AWS underscore route underscore table underscore association. Okay. Association. Copy this one. We can give any name. What name we can give? Here route table association, right? Just I can give in uh, okay, dev rt route table association, rt route table association associate anything. This is your name, whatever you want. Subnet ID. Which subnet, guys? Now we have two subnets, right? We have two subnets. Which subnet ID we need to add? Two we have. Which one we need? One or two? Anyway, I'm adding one. Whatever you want, we can add it. So I'm going to only give one subnet ID. So I'm using only. We have two subnets. Whatever you want, we can add it. So subnet one dot ID. Next route table ID. Route table ID. Route table ID means where is your route table? Route table. Where I added? Here only, correct only, right? Route table ID. We need to add this one. Which is this one? Copy this one. Same way.
Okay.
Now remove dot add dot next ID. That's it. Okay. Anything missing? Clear?
Yes.
That's it. Now come to last. Execute it. How it will work. Now go to here. Terraform. Terraform. Just I am using validate. Any errors and all. Just check it. We'll finish. Okay, now Terraform plan. Now see here, refreshing state, and these are existing, only two. Now added two, right? So now total two. Now Terraform apply. So like this, whatever you want, we can add it. But before that, we need to know manual process. Without manual process, we cannot write Terraform scripts. We can write it, but it will take time. So manually, if you want to, without manual process, directly if you want to write Terraform, we need to focus on more. But if you know manual process, how to create all resource in AWS, same thing we can implement here. And so this Terraform people, they are providing very clear documentation. Whatever you want, just to Google it, copy and paste it based on your requirement, just modify it. That's it. Now finally we'll see route table created, association also done. Now we'll see finally it is updating or not. We'll check it and we'll close it. I hope you got it right. So anyone, any doubt? These steps already you know manually. Now these steps are implemented with the help of Terraform only. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to, first time we are getting some errors and all. Just try it. Okay. Anyway, initial I also getting many errors. Just try and try. We'll get so familiar. We can easily update. We can easily modify based on error. If it is taking long time, maybe something we are missing. We'll check it. If you are not properly mapped, now it is taking. Still, it is creating. We saved, right? Everything correct, all right? IDs and all. So subnet writing, so route table ID, route table dot dev rtc dot id. Still it is creating, means maybe something it is expecting. Anyway, we'll see. If it is not creating, we'll update. We given wrong ID. So here route to route table. Where is the route table? Route. This is the route, right? One is route, ingress route table, and internet gateway and route. This is the routing. We add assigning, and here which one we added here? Route dot route means this is no, no. We need to add this one, right? Route table. Here is the problem. Route table, not route. We need to add this one, this ID. Okay, that is the reason. It is still it is expecting. See, it is creating. Okay, Control C. Control C. I terminated manually. Here we missed. This is the subnet association, right? We need to use this ID. We need to use so this ID. This ID or this ID, which is correct? Route table dot here. This is the internet table. This is the internet gateway. This is route table attached. Route table association. What we are going to do manually? First, we need to check it manually. Route table association. Route table. Here internet gateway added. That's the next association. Which subnet you want to assign? Correct? So that and all we need to update. Subnet means what is this public? route, not route table. We need to route table dot which subnet route table dot which one we need to add? Which one we need to add here? That one or this one? We are confusing here. Route table. Where is route table? Internet gateway. This is a route table only. Route table. Route table dot dev dot id. Is correct dana? Dev dot id. Correct. Okay. Route table dot id. Okay, yes. Now see here. So now this is correct. Now it is correct. Now go to here. Now go to here. Just refresh it. Just refresh it. Go to route table and so routes. See here. Internet gateway also attached and go to subnet association. See here whichever we added. So that is it is added. I hope you understand, right? Clear. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏది యాడ్ చేస్తే అది వస్తుంది మనకి. So if you add whatever you want, so we can add it here. So whichever dev rt dot route table. So in this attached. So like this. So just so like this we can so practice. Now we understand, right? How to create VPC, how to create subnet, how to create so in what is this security group, how to create route table, how to create internet gateway, how to association and all.